foundation repair is one of those home projects that can totally stress you out, but getting it right can save you tons of headaches and cash. So here's the deal. First off, always get a professional inspection before you even think about repairs. Look for signs like cracks in walls, doors that stick, or uneven floors. Those are red flags. When choosing a foundation repair company, don't just pick the first one, get at least 3 quotes. Ask for detailed explanations of what needs fixing and why, so you're not left guessing. Make sure the contractor is licensed and insured because you want legit pros on the job. Also, ask about warranties on the work. They should stand behind what they do. Keep an eye on the timeline and budget, and don't be shy about asking for updates once the work starts. Lastly, after repairs, get a final walkthrough to confirm everything is solid and done right. One of the biggest foundation repair mistakes people make is ignoring early warning signs, which only makes problems worse and more expensive to fix. So keep an eye out and act fast. Another common issue is hiring shady contractors without checking their credentials or reviews, which can lead to shoddy work or scams. Always verify licenses and ask for references. A third mistake is skipping a detailed contract or warranty that clearly states the scope of work and guarantees. Without this, you might get stuck paying for fixes down the road. Make sure everything is in writing before any work begins. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who are legit and reliable. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with people looking for work, making it easier for everyone to get things done right without all the usual hassle.